Good afternoon, my awesome friends. You know what time it is, don't you? It is tea time in the cozy corner. I did a wonderful display today for Mother's Day for me and my daughter. I hope you're going to enjoy it, and please stay tuned to the end of the video. We have some big announcements on things we're going to be doing coming up in June, so don't forget. Now let's get into the video. Well, on this video, we are going to be doing a wonderful display for Mother's Day. We are going to share with you our wonderful Mackenzie Child bees. Oh my gosh, aren't they beautiful? I just love them. And they came in to get some pollen, as you can see from all the beautiful flowers Grandma has in this display. And I'm sure they're going to go home with plenty of pollen. And then we have a beautiful white teapot. A great thing about a great white teapot, it goes with everything. Any color, any display. Just make it sort of simple. But I'm going into the shabby chic now. I think the shabby chic is my style. Oh yes, I do. I really love it. And I have a beautiful, you could use this as a stand, a riser, or just a tray. Isn't it beautiful? And it's just plain white, but it is finished off beautiful. So it works with anything you have, any color you have. Never hurts to have a beautiful white display piece because they go with everything. And of course, we have a wonderful display to share with you today. We have our beautiful rose creamer over here. Isn't it beautiful? And our beautiful rose sugar bowl on the other side. I have had these for probably about 20 or 30 years. And to keep it in the theme of everything, I have my pineapple tea. You know, we're staying with the yellow theme and pink. And that pineapple tea is wonderful. And of course, my beautiful white bee. Isn't it pretty? And my beautiful teacups I just got recently. Really, really love them. And they're in the same, my style, the shabby chic. The roses are in pink, yellow, and white, and trimmed off with a little bit of gold around all the white handle and the bottom. Oh my gosh, I just love it. What do you think? And of course, the beautiful saucer is the same thing. The beautiful yellow, white, and pink roses on a white background with gold trim on the edges. I thought it was so pretty. And like I keep saying, I'm going into shabby chic. So if anyone's going to be doing any shabby chic displays and challenges, please leave me a comment on my latest video. I might want to join in. I really am going to try to do more of it. And of course, I have some beautiful flowers that I got off of Annalise. She makes a lot of beautiful little display pieces, and I thought this was so pretty with the yellow base. It's working into my color theme perfectly. Then, as you can see in the far left-hand side, we have our beautiful air plants. I have 4 of them in this display, and all you have to do is put them in water once a week. That's the only thing you have to do. No soil required. And then my beautiful Mackenzie Child herb pot back over here with its little green ball on top. I love it, and I'm real happy how that turned out. And then, of course, down here I have my little piece of driftwood, a little pink rose, and my mushrooms, and another little silver bee. I love sharing them off, and I hope you are enjoying all the beautiful display pieces we are sharing today for Mother's Day. On the other side, I have another pink rose, some little bits and pieces that have broken off, and a beautiful silver dragonfly with another piece of driftwood. And of course, another mushroom and another beautiful floral arrangement by Annalie. I thought she did a wonderful job on these pieces, and they're all one of a kind because she made them herself, so they're not something mass made. And then, of course, we have our Mackenzie Child black and white bee and our wonderful black and white herb plant with the yellow, with the green ball on top. I love those herb pots, and I use them a lot in my displays because I really love them, And if you buy something, you need to buy things you love, things you can reuse, repurpose, and not be constantly just wasting money on lots of clutter. Everything in here I've had for quite some time. Some of them have been 20 and 30 years, and I'm still not bored with them because they're things that I really love. And of course, I love my Mackenzie Child pieces. Even though they're very expensive, we buy them on sale, and I only buy things we can afford. I don't go in debt for anything on my YouTube channel, and I try to do my best. Now, just in case you wanted to juice a little tea for one in your cozy corner like I do, it's easy enough to move a few pieces around. Put your 1 cup in the center, bring my creamer and my sugar bowl to each side, and ta-da! You have a display for one. What do you think about it? I thought it shows how easy it is to change things up without even hardly spending any time at it. And we have those beautiful blue butterflies, and of course a yellow butterfly, and look over there in the corner, a little bee. And I do want to mention something about the bees. Starting next week, we're going to start doing some bee displays. So be ready for 3 or 4 bee displays next week, because that is one thing Grandma does love. Well, I hope you enjoyed the beautiful display we put together today for Mother's Day, showing that you can do a very simple, beautiful display in a little small corner of your kitchen like I've done. And it's easy to do, and it always can stay up over here. I change this area up about once every couple of weeks because I'm always joining in on some challenge. So in a couple of weeks, we'll be back at the cozy corner and see something new and different. Now, would like to mention, if any of you are not already following my channel, please think about it. We do something different every day. Give me a thumbs up, please. I really would appreciate hearing from you also. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like. Let me know what you'd like to see me do. And if you have challenges coming up you'd like for me to join in, leave me a comment on any of my latest videos, and if I can join in, I will. Because we all have to help each other build our channels bigger and stronger. And I am here, a full support channel, to try to give love and support back to all my awesome friends that are always helping me too. So let's try to work together and build our channels bigger and stronger. Thank you so much. Now remember, I wanted to share with you some upcoming challenges. May 26, 2022 is going to be Share Your Dollhouse with us. It can be any project, any size house, small, big, large, we don't care. Just share what you have, even if it's just like a little vignette of doll furniture. It's fine. Let's see what we can do. Starting on June 1st, we do fairy gardens for the month of June. We'd love to have you join in on a fairy garden post. Anything you want, big, small, we don't care. You know, we're very easygoing anytime that day. June 25th, we'd like to see a fairy village, any size, anytime.